Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
The new Lava Z61. It's a beautiful device indeed. The Z61 has a big 5.45-inch screen, but still feels very comfortable in hand due to the 18:9 display ratio. The 2.5D curved screen comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It has 5-point touch, which enhances the touch experience, especially while playing games. Size of Google Apps is smaller by 50% and more free internal space is available because it runs on the latest Android Oreo platform. The Z61 1GB comes with Android Oreo Go Edition, while Z61 2GB comes with Android Oreo 8.1. The Z61 has an 8MP rear and 5MP front-facing camera, which will give you super sharp pictures, which are the best in this segment. The bokeh and beauty mode in both the cameras is available for great pictures. But what will surprise you is the video. Yes, you heard it right. The front camera has beauty and bokeh mode available for video as well. The front camera has a wider lens for a wider field of view. The front flash, beauty mode and funny cam in Z61 works with the third-party apps like WhatsApp too. The Z61 comes with 1.5 ampere charger. It takes just 2 hours 12 minutes to charge the huge 3000 mAh battery from 0 to 100%. Despite housing a high-capacity 3000 mAh battery, the Z61 is an ultra-slim device. The exact thickness is 8.65 mm only. Lava Z61. It's the small details that make a big difference.